standing young EP. Nim di Skerman. Itip Argentina come back. Come back.
Yes, kembali bro, saya sin pat sa kanila channel dong. Jonathan Karamba. Dasngi yawan ya letma ni apulo. We are back. Yeah. Oh, dasi gede. Ya pun lagi nong syarai masim dasi. Ang marawo. Bet. Ejot habis. Marawo. Kita panggil ayo penyaru. Po, mentang kena biji adi. Dan 18. Lalu tu helmet. Tera si post bawa menta. Kita si pang de ayo penyaru. Ini player gelawan. Lawan. Argentina apa? Kau lihat hat ke? Mulai syong shit upai ba ka game ko pasdang. Tala khatway bje khatway. Itu na. Tingin la yayo penyerung nanti. Tingin cepat kan long gumno. Coba. Nomor ba. Ba dah. Lai là cô ấy, tăng ar là cô ấy, ar cô ấy, to nembak pon job ni, job ni, sampai, to job ni, kerjaan, job ni rapi rai ni lah tu, masih tengah phone tu bilang. Cepat mandi. Tahu musak dah. Doktor beli apa? Peni apa? Dah macam mana? Kasih bunga tu. Om jasi. Om. Serupa. Dah kelak dah. Sarum senang rotan apa? Ya. Let's go. Yes. Ini jasi. Cuma ciri uli. Lemah. Oh tu bad ni mah. Kanu gini. Kanu ni. Coba. Ini stol bro. Stol. Bro.
How much? 50, 100, 150.
Your one.
My one.
Thank
you, customer. So what do you want, sir?
I want for free.
For free.
That's good.
For free.
Ha kani ka durmo, kani karong am, kumni hem kudu. Kumni itu kuat. Apa? Ni. Yang kejap. Ni pe ni jan. So madi padap in your be kai thing. Mama kendra cakwe. Tapi ni bau ni dia player Portugal page 1 ngok. Edit cuma. Ini bet. Ini latih lalek kayung nang bagi cuat jengok ka you Messi. Bau wan cerita. Beri kasih kami. El Messi. Mari.
Yeah, my boy. I'm a Messi. Let's see.
Ini fake fan gini, fake fan.
Ini kalau ketika 4 yang baru ke bawah ke kain It's the freedom to go between the lines, always having someone who saves him. But I think I don't know, maybe he has no. We don't know. But we will see. I think that the only question I don't feel is into the toughest defender.
Ars home dah. Saat home minute tu, Pak.
To their quarterfinal. Nothing England. And in 1998, when David Beckham was sent off, Diego Simeone manipulated, as he later admitted, that incident. And would you know that Simeone's son was playing for Argentina this afternoon? Both countries have had to recover from the added threat of extra time in their quarterfinals. England particularly because of Miami and that Spurs review.
Yeah, it was extremely hot for them. It looked uncomfortable for a number of the players on that day. But
Will they be the deciding factors? I'm sure they'll be playing.
Standing if you're able for the playing of the national anthem.
And Italy's Marco Di Bella. After successive identical moments, through the line change, Giuliano Simeone brings fresh lights on the right for Atletico. Emi Martinez, Romero, English clubs. An extra dose of spice. The first meeting for 21 years. First count, so the referee kept his post as well, but he had no penalty value. And Messi's over free kick. And this ball in here will stay hit. Supposed to far out even for someone as talented as the taker. Because he took a shorter route. Now he might have a crack. He does. It's a he hit that very held aloft.
yeah, not sure who that was to him.
15 minutes later.
Game kelas tang yang kita. Jaga ngilado, jaga syong. Jaga syong sini, Pak Pak. Nanes away, Mtas away. Baik, syong duluan.
who's got to. There's a picture
yang lebih yang dideskripsikan itu Argentina comeback yang judo finalin rap yang mentah arah jalan pun riu Spain nyaman
balik kain no.